A very good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are fine. So, today we are in the continuation of IUPAC nomenclature. Today we will know about the naming of polyfunctional compound and some more more type also we will know if time permits. So, let's see. Okay. And so, as usual, we will start with the quote, and the quote is: Don't wait for the world to recognize your greatness. Live it and let the world catch up to you. So you don't have to explain the things for that, or just don't wait कि दुनिया जो है वो रिकॉग्नाइज करेगी तुम्हारी अच्छाई को, तुम्हारी ऑनेस्टी को, तुम्हारी चीज़ों को. Whatever you can do, whatever you can give your best, just give your best and अपने आप let it be, leave it. The world will one day it will catch up to you for sure. If you are doing something, you will be under recognition sooner or later, but you will be. So don't worry about that. गीता में भी ये कहा गया है कि फल की चिंता मत करो, just कर्म करते जाओ. So your work is studying, giving your best in the study. So just give it to that, and one day you will be at your desired position. So let's start the next concept. And today, this thing you have to learn functional group as both prefix and suffix. Functional group we have done. There are the 13 functional group. Okay, the one functional group means the one which will decide the chemical formula, chemical properties of the compound. That is called functional group. Okay, so they can act as a prefix as well as suffix. In that video number 2, I have given you the series. So that is the priority series. The one which is on the top will get the most priority, and then later on as the priority will be decreased. ठीक है. So in general जो anhydride and sulfonic होते हैं, they are like they अलग से उनकी treatment होती है, वो they are treated as differently. So we'll do afterwards. जो basic जो common use होते हैं, that is COH. Okay, तो COH will be functional group, and later जो भी होगा below that COH, that will be treated as prefix. So there is, in that case, there is the two things, and that is very much important, that if CHO group is there, okay, CHO group is there, then it can be treated as prefix as well as suffix. Dono. How it will be, we will do with example. Just let me explain this thing first. If the carbon of the CHO is included in the main chain, then it will be termed as oxo. But if it is not included, then it will be as a prefix, it will be known as formyl. Okay, and if it is included in the main chain and suffix की तरह treat होगा, then al, and अगर included नहीं होगा but still it is considering as a suffix functional group, it will be carbaldehyde. Okay, similarly for ketone, oxo and one, and keto and one only, and CN के लिए भी cyano, and that is the nitrile. Well, I'm going to tell you how to do. Just one thing you have to keep in your mind: whenever it is prefix, it will be named before the root word, and if it is working as a suffix, it will be named after the root word. That difference please don't forget. Okay, if you'll forget it, everything will be wrong. So let's start with the few examples. So here examples, let me give the heading examples. First one, I'm giving you few examples, and you just try the name for these compounds, and then I will tell you the method. Okay, so give a try fast and answer. Pause the video, try to do according to the previous slide, and then answer me. Chaliye, so now the answer, and this is like how to answer. Let me use another color. For this, in this, how many carbon? One carbon. This is one, second, third, and fourth. There are the 4 carbon, and only CHO is there. So obviously it will be treated as functional group, secondary suffix. Yes, there is nothing more than more prior group is not present than the CHO. CHO is only one group present over here. So what we will do, we will write the root words. What is the root word? But. And all carbon is having Don't forget to write the primary suffix. Students mainly forget about this. ये एन इन आइन के बिना कोई भी compound complete नहीं होगा. You have to keep in your mind. Okay. So what is a bond over here? All the carbon are bonded with a single bond, so that means it is ane only. So we'll write a ane. Clear? Now CHO is there and CHO is in the main chain and treated as a suffix. Just go for this. CHO, if the carbon of CHO is included in main chain and as a suffix used, so what we are supposed to use? Al. So that means here we will write al. Clear? And in that first video, nomenclature ke first video, I have explained that if the functional group or the secondary suffix start with the vowel, what we will do? We will remove the e of primary suffix. Yes. So e को remove कर देंगे and then attach. So it will be butanol. Any problem in this? Clear है? Now come to this point. Okay, leave it. First do this compound. Okay, then we will do this. So here the two groups are there, COOH and then CHO. Obviously this will be treated as a functional group because it is having more priority. So the counting will be start from here and this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now CHO is in as a prefix क्योंकि functional group तो obviously COH है and CHO is going to be treated as prefix. So just and it is included in the main chain also. You can count the carbon now. So just go through this. If CHO is in that of the CHO is carbon of the CHO is included in the main chain and as a prefix, what we are supposed to use? Oxo. So we will write here for this it is oxo. So we'll write 5 oxo and then the root word total 5. So pent, all are having single bond, so pentane. And this is COH के लिए हम क्या use करते हैं? Oic acid. So that's why I have removed E of this primary suffix and just attach this oic acid. No need to write the position for oic acid because it is at the first position. If you are not writing the position, it is understood that it is at the first position. तो अगर first position पे है तो you can leave it. You can ignore it. Okay. Now, did you get that? What is this 5 oxo? And I have told you that always there will be a hyphen between the number and the word. So that's why I have put over there like oxo. Clear? Any doubt in this? Chaliye. Now come to this point. Here, let's come. In this case, there is no, there is nothing like, there is no way to include all the CHO in the main chain. If you will check that, only CHO group is there, isn't it? Only CHO, that means only the functional group is CHO only. But there is no way by which you can include all the 3 CHO in the main chain. And this is not possible कि हम 2 को main chain में include कर ले और तीसरे को छोड़ दे. Why so? All 3 are CHO. So ऐसा क्यों करोगे कि that तुम 2 को priority दोगे और तीसरे को छोड़ दोगे? You can't. Either तीनों को लो or you leave it. And the best example I give in the class, that suppose that you are in the class and you have one chair only and all the physics, chemistry, bio teacher came over there or physics, chemistry, math teacher came over there. So to whom you will prefer, to whom you will what we say, this chair को किसको ये करोगे रेफर करोगे? You cannot, क्योंकि अगर फिजिक्स वाले टीचर को करोगे तो केमिस्ट्री मैम एंड बायो मैम they will be अच्छा बेटा आ जाओ प्रैक्टिकल में, all the number will be deducted, isn't it? तो और केमिस्ट्री मैम को करोगे तो फिजिक्स एंड बायो में यू कैन लूज, जस्ट अ जोक. ओके, बट the way, what is the perfect way for that? You'll say that please have a seat. जो अपने सीनियरिटी के अकॉर्डिंग जिनको मन करेगा वो बैठ जाएंगे, बाकी खड़े रहेंगे, isn't it? You cannot take a particular name. तो उसी तरह से here you cannot include a particular CHO in the main chain. What you will do? You will leave all the 3 CHO. तीनों को मेन चेन में इंक्लूड नहीं करोगे. ओके, सो जस्ट व्हाट यू विल डू, you leave this CHO and start counting from here. So this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. I'm going to leave this also, this also, this also. Okay, but all 3 are functional group, but the carbon is not included in the main chain. So let's see what is the rule. If the carbon of CHO is not included in main chain but still it is treated as suffix, what we are supposed to use? Carbaldehyde, isn't it? So what will name? There are the 3 root word, that means 3 के लिए हम क्या कहते हैं? Propane. So this is propane and the numbers 1, 2, 3. So because 1 is on the first position, second is on the second position, third is on the third position, so you'll write that 1, 2, 3, and how many total becomes 3. So that's why tri and CHO is not included in the main chain, so that's why you will refer with the carbaldehyde. Any doubt in this? Clear bache? Yes. Now come to the last one. In this case, the COOH is the functional group. Yes, here also and here also. And there is a way by which you can include both the COOH in the main functional group, main chain, isn't it? So we will include like this, either start from here or start from here. Anyway, the CHO is coming at the third position, isn't it? So anyway, you can start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on third position, CHO is there as a prefix. And this time the C of the prefix CHO is not included in the main chain. So the rule is that if carbon of CHO is not included in the main chain and it is treated as a prefix, what word you are supposed to use? Formyl. So here you will name for this 3-formyl. This is 3-formyl and the root word is 5. So all are having single bond, so pentane and oic acid. How many oic acid? 2. So dioic acid. And at which position? 1 and 5. So we will say 1,5-dioic acid. Any doubt in this? Let's do some more example. Suppose that I'm giving you like this. Chaliye. So here few examples I have written. Now let's do that. How to do? So in this case, this is the 6 carbon having 6 carbon, and anyway the functional group is COH and CHO. Which will be more prior? Obviously COH. So this will be treated as a functional group and this is going to be prefix, isn't it? So this is treated as prefix, and prefix carbon is not going to included in the main chain. We cannot include this carbon in the main chain. इसमें include नहीं कर सकते. So that means what word we will use? Formyl. Here we have used. So this is 1 position, 2nd position, 3rd, 4th and 5th, 6th. And I have told you that we cannot include both the aliphatic and the cyclic chain in the main chain. एक साथ नहीं कर सकते. Just suppose that you cannot start counting from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ऐसे नहीं count कर सकते. That either you take the cyclic or you take the straight chain. You cannot start, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि you can start from the cyclic and you'll go for that straight chain or vice versa. Got it? So you cannot do. So in this case, we can see that 2 position per CHO as a prefix and the carbon is not included in the main chain. So what name we will say? 2-formyl. For this, clear? Now the root word. Root word is 6 carbon, but it is cyclo. So cyclohexane. Yes. Now COH. What you will write? Oic acid. Cyclohexanoic acid. Can I write? We cannot write. Why? Because the carbon of this COH group is not in the main chain. अगर आप हेक्सेनोइक एसिड लिखोगे दैट मींस टोटल नंबर ऑफ कार्बन कितने होंगे 6, बट यहाँ चेक करो 6 कार्बन यहाँ और एक ये कार्बन 7 कार्बन आर देयर. So hexanoic acid is not a correct word for that. What you will say? Hexane. And since again the carbon of this COH group we are not including in the main chain, so अलग से हम word use करेंगे, carb word के साथ use करेंगे. So for this we say carboxylic acid. Clear? Carboxylic acid. Any problem बच्चे? क्लियर है? जैसे वो कार्बोल्डिहाइड था तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? ये ऑक्सिलिक एसिड हम जानते हैं कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड होता है, तो COH को we will name it as a carboxylic acid. Now come to this point, CN. So we know that all three are having CN only. Yes. And only one CN, matlab like only one type of functional group CN is there. So that means it is going to be treated as a functional group for sure. Okay. But there is no way by which we can count all the C or the C in the main chain. हम नहीं count कर सकते. So what we will do? We will leave all these 3. So start the counting from any position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is cyclohexane. The root word is cyclohexane. And then at which position they are? 1, 3, 5. So 1, 3, 5 teen, so that's why tri. And C of this is not going to be included in the main chain, so we are supposed to use the word carb. और CN के लिए हम कौन सा suffix लगाते हैं? Nitrile. So because the carbon is not included in the main chain, so that's why we will say carbonitrile. Clear? So tri carbonitrile. Any doubt in this? Clear, bachche? Let's come to this question. COH and C. In this case, obviously, the COH is going to be treated as a functional group. So we have to start our counting in such a way so that this will be at the least position. And if I will go in this way, this is 2, 3, 3 pe aa jayega. If I will prefer this one, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pe aayega. So that's why the counting will be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, third position pe there is a prefix. And this prefix carbon is included in the main chain. Yes, third carbon is included. So अगर इसके carbon को include कर रहे हैं ketone के, तो what will prefix we are supposed to use? Oxo. So we'll say that 3-oxo and then cyclohexane. And आगे next, tell me fast. Yes, COH, since carbon is not included in the main chain. In the main chain, so that's why we will use the word carboxylic acid. Any problem? Clear, bachche? Now, you have given us name and now you are supposed to draw the structure. So 2,4-dioxobutanoic acid. Abhi oxo word jo hota hai, that is used for CHO as well as ketone. So how you will understand that it is whether it is ketone or it is aldehyde? Just wait, we will do. Check the root word. How many what is the root word? Butane. So for butane, the root word is 4 carbon. Let it be. And oic acid, functional group. So including this carbon, hai na? Oic acid we are using, that means I have included the carbon of this COH group. So that's why I have attached like. Now it becomes butanoic acid. Done. So this is butanoic acid. Now set that 2 and 4. So this is second position and this is fourth position. Second position pe oxo, yani ki put the double bond O. Here also put the double bond O. Carbon valency is completed over here. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. We can say that means hydrogen is not required on this. But here only 1, 2, 3. So that means hydrogen is required over here. So now it is quite clear that which one will be aldehyde and which one will be ketone. Obvious ho gaya. Okay? This one is aldehyde group and this one is ketone group over there. I hope it is clear. Any doubt in this? Chaliye, now next with few more examples. So here I have written some questions, some more examples. Now we will do the naming for this. Some more examples and then we will go for the next type examples. In this case, the COH group is there and the CN group is there. So obviously COH group will be treated as functional group and this will be considered as prefix. So CN as prefix, I have told you it will be named as cyno. So from where we will start our counting? From where that position, the functional group will be at the nearer position. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, isn't it? So we'll say that 2 cyno and then 6 carbon, so cyclohexane. And for the COH we are supposed to use, since the carbon is not in the main chain, so we will use carboxylic acid. So we'll say cyclohexane carboxylic acid. It will be in the one line only, since I have no space, so that's why I am writing over here. Yes, carboxylic acid. Any doubt? Chaliye, now the next example. Here the two groups, OH and COH group. So obviously COH will get priority, will get the priority. So this is the functional group here and this will be as prefix. Yes. So let's start the counting. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So at 2 position OH is there and as a prefix. So in that first slide of today's video, I have told you that OH, if it is as a prefix, it will be hydroxo. So we'll say 2-hydroxo. And then the root word is 4 carbon. So but, all are having single bond. So butane, and this is oic acid. That's why I have removed E of primary suffix, butanoic acid. Clear? Any doubt in this? Chaliye, now the next question here, 1, 4 groups are there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is COH, this is COH. That means they both are functional group. So the main chain will start from either this side or from this side. Okay. Now the next one is OH as a prefix over here, and this is CO as a prefix over here. So now if we will start our counting from this position, COH तो दोनों ही side से OH मतलब first position पे ही है. So if I'll start counting, it is coming on the second position, and if we'll start our counting, it is coming at the third position. So that's why we will prefer this side counting. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 2 position, what we will name as a prefix, but included in the main chain carbon, so oxo. So 2 oxo, and this one is hydroxo, 3 hydroxo. One thing I have to see, this is oxo and this is 3 hydroxo. So see, if 2 or more than same type of things like prefix or suffix are present, then we have to follow the alphabetical rule. So H comes first, so that's why what we will write, this is wrong, so let me correct it. Okay, so what I will write that it is 3 hydroxo. Number can come before, there is no problem. It is not like it doesn't matter ki 3 should come after 2. It's not like that. Alphabetically name should be followed. So 3 hydroxo, 2 oxo. Now the prefix done. Okay, so then the root word 5 carbon. So we'll say pent, and since all are having single bond, so ane, and at one position, at fifth position दोनों पे oic acid है, so we will write 1, 5, 1, 5, yes, and फिर dash dioic acid. I hope it is clear. If it's still any problem, you just please practice and practice first, okay, and still there is any problem, you just contact me, I will explain again. Okay, chaliye, now this one here, the 2 groups are there, one is ether and another is OH. So obviously COH will be considered as a functional group and this will be named as prefix. अब यहाँ पे इसकी nomenclature तो आपको सिखाई नहीं गई है ना? So let's see. Just forget about this. ये COH यहाँ पे जो group लगा हुआ है COH, इसको भूल जाओ. So this side it will be, one side it will be alkane and one side it will be alkene, isn't it? Clear hai? So this one is alkoxy, and since this side functional group is there, either primary suffix or secondary suffix is there, then obviously this will be treated as the alkane, the main one, the main root, the root chain, the main chain, we can say. So this will be treated as alkane. So let me write first alkane. How many carbon? 2 carbon. 2 carbon and COH group is there. So we'll say that ethanoic acid, isn't it? So let me write ethanoic acid. Now, if it is ethanoic acid, counting अगर हम यहाँ पे करेंगे, this is 1 and 2. That means ये जो group लगा हुआ है, alkoxy group, this is at the second position. So we'll number it 2. And then this is alkoxy part. Alkoxy, how many carbon? 2 carbon. So for 2, alk word is ethoxy. So we can say 2 ethoxy, isn't it? 2 ethoxy. Here I will write 2 ethoxy. Any doubt in this, bache? Tell me. Just go one by one, you will get the things. Any doubt in this? Okay. Now the same thing here. This one is having 3 carbon and this one is having 4 carbon altogether. So obviously the one which is having less number of carbon will be considered as alkoxy. So according to that, it should be treated as alkoxy and it should be treated as alkane. But in this group, although it is having less number of carbon, but primary suffix is there. So that's why it has to get more priority than this. And hence it will be considered as alkane. ये alk word में आ जाएगा, main alkane word में आ जाएगा, ठीक है? And this will be considered as alkoxy. So just first write the alkoxy word. Let's write. So this is 1, 2, 3. So 2 methyl. We'll write 2 methyl. And for 3 carbon, it will be alk will be prop to propoxy. 2 methyl propoxy. Clear hai bachche? And then let's write about the this alkane part. So 3 carbon, hence it should be propane, isn't it? But ane नहीं लिख के हम क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पे, double bond है, so we will write propene. Any doubt? नाउ काउंटिंग कहाँ से करोगे? ऑब्वियसली फ्रॉम दिस साइड वी विल स्टार्ट 1 2 3, क्योंकि अगर यहाँ से करोगे तो इट विल बी एट सेकंड पोजीशन, बट यहाँ से करोगे इट विल बी एट द फर्स्ट पोजीशन. So counting is going to be here. So even no need to write for in also, because it is at the first position, and no need to write for this also, because it is at the one position. So that's it. 2-methyl propoxy propene. One thing here also, you are saying that 1 2 3, and here also you are saying 1 2 3. So what we will do, just to change, just to separate, I will mark it as a 1 dash, 2 dash and 3 dash. So this will be, we'll say 2 dash methyl propoxy propene. Any problem in this, bache? Is it clear? So the now next is branch under branch nomenclature. That means there will be branch in the branch. Okay, let's start with an example like this is C, like this. Okay, or a few more example, let me draw and then we'll do. Okay, so here few questions I have drawn, and how to name it. So don't worry about that. This is not so tough. Simple questions and simple. First thing, you have to decide the main chain. If only carbon are there, only carbon in the main in the compound, then you have to go for the longest one. So just find the longest one. Okay. So if I will go with this 1 2 3 4 5 6 in the straight chain, and if I'm going this way 1 2 3 4 5 6 in this way also, it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 only. So in both the case, either we am going in like a straight way, or I'm going in this way. This all are having, like in both the case, 6 number of carbons. So we will see that the chain which is having more number of branch will be considered as the main chain. So in this case, if I'm going with this way, there's one branch and the second branch is there. Only two branch will be there if I'm following the straight one. Clear? But if I'm going in this way, 1 2 3 4 5 6, then in this case, the one branch like this, ye raha one branch, second branch and third branch, we will get the three branch. So which will consider as the main chain? So this way we will go for the main chain. Now counting. So if I'm going to counting from this end, my first branch will come on the third position, and the second branch will come on the fourth, and third also fourth, isn't it? So 3 plus 4 plus 4. But if I'm going in this way from here, so this is 1 2 3, and it 3 plus 3, and then another will come on the 4. So according to that lowest locant rule, we have to follow this one. That means the counting should start from this way: 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and it out in this. Okay, clear? So just write the straight chain जितने भी हैं, जो straight up you can write the naming, you can do the naming. Just go for that. Like this one is only the complex. ये क्या है? ये branch के अंदर branch है, तो leave it. We'll consider it later on. Let me mark with another color. This one we will name it afterwards. Okay, before that जो भी है उसका complete कर लेते हैं. So this is at 3 position 2 methyl group. So let me write 3 dimethyl. This is also prefix, isn't it? Because root word suffix nahi hai koi. So this should also come before the root word. And so just leave the space for the second prefix, and then the root word write down. So root word is of 6 carbon. So that's why I'm writing here hexane. Let me write it here. Yes, clear? Now for naming this this branch, so let me rub it. Again we will start the counting, and counting will be like just mark the first carbon. Okay, first carbon with which this branch is attached to the main chain. So this one is the first carbon which is attached to the main chain. So this one is 1. Don't write 1, because 1 there will be a confusion. So mark it in another way. It will be 1 dash, here it will be 2 dash, and here it will be 3 dash. Any doubt in this? नाउ फॉरगेट अबाउट ऑल दिस, ये कंप्लीट जो चेन था इसको भूल जाओ. इसको अगर नॉमेनक्लेचर हम करेंगे तो व्हाट विल से 2 मिथाइल प्रोपेन, इजंट इट? सो विल सिंपली राइट 2 मिथाइल propane. We should write propane, yes. But in a compound, the alkane word will be only one time. This is not possible कि यहाँ पे भी n होगा और यहाँ पे भी n होगा. Are you getting it? And moreover, this is also a branch. ये branch का ही part है. So branch ends with always il, yl, isn't it? So instead of propane, it will be propyl. That's it. And then you are done. This is propyl. So this branch is attached to the main chain at which position? 4. So you will mention here 4 dash and this branch should be in the bracket. So what will be the complete name of this compound? 3,3-dimethyl 4,2-methyl propyl hexane. Any problem in this? Clear hai bachche? Chaliye, come for the next compound. This is the compound and it is quite clear that this one we have to start counting from this one because this is the functional group 1, 2, 3, 4 and it's obvious that we have to go in this way. We don't have to check whether number of carbon more or less because functional group are there, so we have to include the secondary suffix as much as we can in the main chain. So this is 4 and this is going to be 5 and here it is 6. So obviously this is branch and branch and this is branch under branch, isn't it? So mark it 1 dash जो सबसे पहले attached है main chain से, तो this is 1 dash and go in any way to find the longest one. So in any way you will go, it will be 2 dash only, isn't it? दो कार्बन ही होंगे. So this is and this one is branch under branch. So we'll name it like there is no प्रेफिक्स में अल्काइल ग्रुप वगैरह नहीं है तो हम पहले मिक्स्ड इसको नेमिंग करेंगे एंड देन विल गो फॉर द नेमिंग ऑफ दिस एंड देन विल गो फॉर द रूट वर्ड. सो हियर इट इज at which position it is? At 4th position. So mark it 4 dash small bracket 1 dash, but there is a methyl group. So we'll say that 1 dash comma 1 dash dimethyl and in the main one how many carbon? 2. So that will be, instead of ethane, it will be ethyl. Clear hai bachche? Why it is so, that I have told you right now. So I have named for this one. This one is done. Now 6th position CHO is included in the main chain. So this will be considered as 6 oxo and the root word is 6 carbon. So here it is hexane and oic acid. I hope it is clear. There should be no doubt in this. Isn't it? Clear hai bachche? I will give you a few questions, practice. You will do that practice, then only you will be able to do this thing. You will be expert in this. Otherwise, it's like, lots of things are there to learn. And it is going to be hodgepodge for you. Okay. Now in this, again, it is quite clear that this one will be the main chain because here is a secondary suffix. So now decide the counting. Counting from where, which side? Obviously this C double bond O group will get the priority, although it is at the first position, but this will get the more priority because if you start your counting from this, it is coming at 1, 2, 3, 4 पे, and if you are starting your counting from this, it is coming on 1, 2. So this is going to be a main chain 3, 4 and 5. Any doubt? Clear bachche? Now 5 is here we say that it is in the main chain and that prefix, so we'll say that इसकी नेमिंग हम बाद में करते हैं, पहले ब्रांच कर लेते हैं. सो लेट्स डू फॉर द ब्रांचिंग. दिस इज 1 dash, isn't it? ये 1 dash होगा, ये वाला पार्ट, एंड गो फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट. सो दिस इज 2 dash एंड दिस इज 3 dash. 1 dash पे 2 मिथाइल ग्रुप. सो विल नेम इट एज which position? 3rd position. So 3 dash and then 1 dash dimethyl. And then how many carbon are there? 3. So that's why it is going to be propyl. And then 5 cyno. We'll say 5 cyno. And the root word is for 5 carbon pentane. And CO के लिए this is the ketone group. So this will be pentanone. Any doubt in this? I hope it is clear. Yes. Chaliye, in this case, again it is quite clear. Here it is a branch, one branch, and this is going to be like this CHO with all the 6 carbon, isn't it? So cyclohexane carbaldehyde is going to be main chain. Cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Are you getting it? Follow my pen, beta. This is CHO included in this chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Root word done. Okay, clear. Now counting. So this is 1 dash 1. This is 2. This is 3, 4, 5, 6. If I will go for the branch under branch counting, so obviously this is going to be 1 dash, this is 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. The longest one is like this, isn't it? So just name it. So third position, main chain, third position. So third and 3 and then dash. 1 dash and 2 dash, there is a methyl group, isn't it? So we'll say that 1 dash comma 2 dash dimethyl, and then the root word is 4 carbon, so that's why we'll say butyl. This is done. Nomenclature of this part is done. Now one position pe there is a methyl group, so we'll write 1 methyl, and what is the root word? Cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Clear? One thing to be noted, that you can see that here ma'am you have done the simple prefix जो थे वो पहले किया and then complex वाले को बाद में किया. यहाँ पे complex वाले को पहले किया, simple वाले को बाद में किया. There is no problem. You can do in either way. Either you do in the simple way or start करो या फिर complex. But ये ध्यान रखना है कि अगर suppose that more than one simple are there, so all simple should be together and then complex. Or if two or three complex are there, so सारे complex को पहले nomenclature कर दो and then simple वाले का. Like there should be bifurcation कि यहाँ simple खत्म हो गया, यहाँ complex start हुआ. I hope it is clear. Yes, we'll give you in the homework for practice. Okay, so now next type is ester nomenclature. Ester nomenclature, that means the functional group is C double bond O O, and this O is attached with the R. Clear? Here also it will be R. Here also it will be R. This R and R dash may or may not be same. May or may not be same. ठीक है? No issue in that. एक ही चीज़ है यहाँ actually जो इसकी format होती है, there is a two format. One is alkyl alkanoate. I will tell you, don't worry about this, just wait. And another is alkanoate alkane. They are the two format. Okay. So जो भी हम देखो, जो भी whatever we write afterwards ना, in this the alkyl group, let me write together. Alkyl group जो होगा, which is attached to the carbon, which is attached to the carbon of C double bond O O. Clear? इन दोनों ही केस में either you use alkyl alkanoate और alkanoate alkane. जो हम बाद में लिखते हैं उसमें हमेशा वो वाले alkyl group को ऐड करेंगे which is attached to the main carbon. Clear? But अगर हम basically देखें, if you'll search for the books for this, so you will find that this one is commonly used nomenclature, used format for the ester nomenclature. So we'll go for this. Okay, we'll do this one only. Alkyl alkanoate. Alkyl will be there which is attached to the oxygen of, this will be always R dash and this will be R. Clear? Any doubt in this? So let's do with the one nomenclature, like I'm giving you this, the basic one. Let's start with the basic. So three I have given you, like or let me do one, give one, two more, like this is चलिए, okay. So how to do that? Let's see here. R or R dash may be same, but ये याद रखना, R dash is always the one which is attached with the oxygen, and R is always the one which is attached with the carbon of CO group. Okay, CO group. So this will be alkyl. R dash naming होती है, तो this is R dash alkyl group. That means it is going to be methyl. Yes, alk word, one carbon, methyl, and then alkanoid. So check the carbon. Total carbon is 1 and 2. So for 2 carbon, what will be the alk? Eth. So eth, alk की जगह पे यहाँ पे alkanoid, alka की जगह पे eth लिख दोगे and then continue. So this will be ethanoid. Any problem in this? Now check this. Are these two compounds same? यहाँ पे देखो 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 4 carbon, same functional group. Are they same? They are not same. ठीक है, how come? Let's see. यहाँ पे oxygen C2H5 is attached with the oxygen, but in this case C2H5 is attached with the C. So how to name this? In this case, this is alkyl, isn't it? So that means ethyl. And how many carbon? 1 2. So this will be ethanoid. Okay. In this case, what is the alkyl group? CH3. So this is methyl. And what will be alkanoid? 2 and 3. Propane. 3 carbon. So this will be propanoate. Any doubt? Now in this case, this group is alkyl, isn't it? ये alkyl है. तो alkyl name के लिए 1 2 3, since it is branch. So what we'll say? 2 methyl, and then this complete is branch under branch wala case. So again it is this is methyl and this one is for propyl. So we'll say 2 methyl propyl, and then for these 3 carbon it is alkanoid, that means propanoid. I hope it is clear. Okay, so let's move to next topic. These are the miscellaneous question. NCERT में basically इन सब के बहुत ज़्यादा nomenclature के use नहीं होते, but they can be asked in any form. So it's better to name, better to know, better to learn the how to name this type of compounds. Okay. So next is oxa. It's not oxo. Okay, oxa. And epoxy nomenclature. Oxa nomenclature क्या होता है? Oxa nomenclature and epoxy nomenclature. Actually, oxa is this, and epoxy is also ether. But epoxy, that means cyclic ether. Cyclic ether. Got it? And oxa, when we use, when, let me write this, when O of ether group is treated as carbon, oxa prefix is used. Okay, let's see. Like this is CS3OCS3, and next is CS3OCH2OCH2OCS3. Okay, then how to name this? For naming, this one is alkoxy alkane, तो we can do, but here I am saying oxa nomenclature हम सिखा रही मैं ether का ही extended part. So here the oxygen will also be treated as a carbon. So that means we will start with this 1 2 3. But this at the second position, this is not carbon, this is oxygen. यहाँ पे oxygen को treat किया जा रहा है carbon के लिए. So that's why we will use prefix oxa. So we'll use the oxa, but oxa is at which position? Second position. So we'll mention 2 oxa, and total number of carbon is total propane. Clear? It's understood that second position पे ether group is there, which is considered as carbon. Okay? In this case, anyway, we can start our counting. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So at 2 position, at 4 position, at 6 position, there is a oxygen. So we'll write that 2 4 6 trioxa, and then total number of carbon total कितने होंगे? 7, यानी heptane. Any doubt बच्चे? Clear है? Now cyclic ether. Cyclic ether में epoxy जो होता है, that is CH2O group. This is called epoxy. Clear? It is not like that. It is not like that. There will be always like this is attached to the adjacent carbon only. This can be in this way also. This way also. So we don't have to take tension for this. But see, simply we will say that epoxy. Okay, epoxy we will use. Kaise? Let's see. Suppose that I'm giving you this compound CS3, and let me use as a compound. Let me make like a compound. I'm giving you this, and then another compound I'm giving like this, CS3CH. Okay, so how to name this? For naming, you have to check that that group is attached to where it, that O group, जो cyclic group है, that is attached. It is going to attach with which position. So simple, start counting. Anyway, you can start your counting like जिधर से नजदीक हो. So obviously this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So you can say that 2, 3 epoxy, and then the 4 carbon is there. So butane. Clear? In this case, what you'll say? This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 set attached and 4 set attached. So you'll say that 2, 4 epoxy, and then hexane. Few more example for this. Suppose that ये group दिया हुआ है आपको like this. Yes. Another example like this. Okay, like this. So how to name this? ये it's not different thing. ये बिल्कुल exactly यही है. अगर यहाँ पे हमने CH2 इसको कर दिया जाए complete, like this is going to be cyclic. Okay, ये cyclic हो जाएगा. No more like what we say, carbon over there. Sorry, it will also be CH only here. I have made the mistake over here. This will be not 2. Yes, here also it will not be 2. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. ठीक है, यहाँ पे correct है. This is again here like yes. Okay, so how to name this? यहाँ पे so this is called epoxy ethane. यहाँ पे कितने कार्बन है? 1, 2. So 2 carbon and 1, 2 पे attached है. तो either you say 1, 2 epoxy ethane, or simply you can say that epoxy, क्योंकि 2 ही carbon है. So you'll say that epoxy ethane. Got it? And that is also known as oxyren. इसको हम oxyren भी कहते हैं. Any doubt in this? In this case, what you will say? This one is epoxy ethane, ये पूरा part, and here it is counting will start from this 1, 2, 3. So 2 position पे methyl group, so we'll say that 2 methyl epoxy ethane, or epoxy ethane की जगह पे oxyren, and this will be 2 methyl. So we can say that 2 methyl oxyren. This one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this oxygen is attached to 2 and 5. So either you can say that 2, 5 epoxy cyclo, what we say, pentane, or in this way also you can name it epoxy pentane. Epoxy pentane. ठीक है? And commonly it is known as oxane. These all are extra thing. कहीं ना कहीं obviously it will help you, but this is not asked in your board exam. It will not be asked in your board exam. but knowledge never goes in vain. So if you will get it, it will be good for you. One more type of ether nomenclature is left, and that is also for cyclic ether. So this is named as crown ether, X crown Y nomenclature. Okay, nomenclature. In this, what we do, like, let me show you. Y represents number of oxygen atom, and X represent number of carbon. Okay, or sorry, X represent number of total atom. It should not be carbon. It will be better. Cut. And X represents 3Y, or we can say that total number of atoms. So rather counting all this number of atoms, we can directly multiply by 3 in number of oxygen atom and we will get it. Yes, just an example, like this is an example. And one more thing, how you will understand this is X crown. This is having actually क्या होता है इनका CH2O repeating group होता है. That is the repeating group. Okay, in the cyclic part. So what is the difference between epoxy or oxa or something like that, or display? So there is a difference that in epoxy there is only like it's not a fixed repetition. Okay, but in crown ether there is a repetition of CH2O group for sure. Okay, a repeating group. Next, let me draw all the examples and then we will name it. Okay, so here is the question, and simple, X first and then crown, then Y. So we'll write crown. Y represents number of oxygen atom. Check karo oxygen. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 oxygen. So this is going to be crown 4, and here it will be 3Y. That means 12. So what is the name for this compound? 12 crown 4. Any doubt in this? Now in this case also it is same as if I will talk about this. This is also going to be same, 12 crown 4, isn't it? But यहाँ पे double bond भी है. So what you will say that you have to mention this double bond also. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. यहाँ numbering की जरूरत पड़ेगी. It all were same, so no need to number that, isn't it? 10 and 11 and 12. So in this case, it will be simple as it is supposed double bond is not there. So what you will say? 12 crown 4. But double bond is there and you cannot ignore it. So what you will say? You will mention this position 12 in. So you will mention it here. Sorry, 2 in. Got it? Any doubt? In this case, again, just forget about this. So what you'll say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yani ki this is going to be 15 crown 5, isn't it? 15 crown 5. And for this COH functional group is there, but this carbon cannot be included in the main chain. So another word carb we will use and we'll say that carboxylic acid. At which position? Don't forget to mark carboxylic acid. So oxygen से हमेशा start करेंगे cyclic में 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on so. So this is again going to be 2 carboxylic acid. Any doubt? So I hope whatever I have explained, you got it. And still it is not complete. Still few nomenclature for this spiro, bicyclo and aromatic nomenclature are left. So that we will do in the next video. So here is the question. This is the homework. I know it's, I have made this happy face. But many of you by seeing this homework will not be happy. But still we have to do. Okay, 2 more examples, like this example and this example you will not be able to do because I was supposed to explain this spiro and bicyclo, but time didn't permit. So that's why leave these 2 questions for next video and rest please complete it. So that's it for today class. Thank you. And next up is still IUPAC nomenclature, and I have told you what nomenclature we are left. So most probably next video we will be over with this IUPAC nomenclature. Till then, enjoy your studies. Thank you class.